2021 Toyota Tacoma 4-wheel drive. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?